Hello and welcome back to Prep on Ice. I hope you all are doing well. Let us start today's topic with the topic PIBO. So a team of engineers and researchers from Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology is currently developing a humanoid robot that can fly aircraft. So let us know some of the salient features of the Pivot. Pivot is a humanoid robot that can fly an airplane just like human pilot by manipulating all the signal controls in the cockpit, which is designed for humans. So it can control its arms and fingers to dexterously operate the flight instruments even with the severe vibration in the aircraft. It is able to memorize complex manuals presented in natural languages, a feat that enhances its adaptability across various aircraft. Its memory is so large that it can memorize all the chips and aeronautical navigation charts around the world, which is impossible for human pilots. Okay, so please let me know your thoughts on this particular topic, whether the pilots जो कि humans हैं उनको replace किया जाना चाहिए कि नहीं robot से. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. Now let us come to the another topic that is called microplastic. So in a recent discovery in China, a team of scientists detected microplastics within the human heart for the first time. So पहली बार माइक्रोप्लास्टिक जो है ह्यूमन के हार्ट में पाया गया है. सो नाउ लेट अस नो व्हाट इज माइक्रोप्लास्टिक. माइक्रोप्लास्टिक्स आर टाइनी प्लास्टिक डेब्रिस that are smaller than 5 mm in length and tinier than even a grain of rice. There are two types of microplastic. पहला है प्राइमरी माइक्रोप्लास्टिक and दूसरा है सेकेंडरी माइक्रोप्लास्टिक. So primary microplastics are purposely designed as such for commercial use like cosmetics, noodle, plastic pellets, etc. Secondary microplastics are formed through the degradation of large plastic items like bottles, fishing nets, and plastic bags. So microplastics are not biodegradable, and once they are found in environment, they begin to accumulate. So this is why it is advised not to use plastics and use only biodegradable objects. I hope you all have understood this topic. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.